The following is a video from Montgomery Motorsports on how to install your carbon fiber clip-ons. We've included some tips that we hope will be helpful. To begin the installation of your carbon fiber clip-ons, you first want to start by loosening the two bolts for the clutch lever assembly. Once you have the bolts removed, gently rest the lever assembly off to the side. The next step is to remove the two Phillips screws on the bottom of the switch controls. Now you want to remove the rubber grip. This may take some work, but twist and pull gently and they will come off. Rotate and pull the bar to remove it. Now, take the new carbon fiber clip-on and install the plastic end caps. Take your switch controls and slide them back over the bar. Set the bar where it's comfortable and tighten the two pinch bolts. You want to make sure that the dowel hole is in the correct location. Take and reattach the clutch lever assembly. You want to set the lever to the angle that feels comfortable for you. Follow up by tightening the two Phillips screws. Make sure the dowel pin lines up to the hole in the bars. Reinstall the hand grip. Be sure to use a spray glue on the inside to keep the grip in place. Repeat the same steps on the other side and your carbon fiber clips will be installed. We hope this video has helped you with the installation of your products from Montgomery Motorsports, and we thank you for your business. Make sure to visit us on the web at montgomerymotorsports.net. Thank you.